Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today was the last trading day of the week and the last trading day of the month. We had amazing volatility and very good trades and very good analysis. Today is 26th of February, Blessing Friday 2021, and let's dig into the system and let me share with you the trades which I mentioned yesterday and how we analyzed today and bank beautiful pips. All right, so just quickly recap. So these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. And I analyze market twice a day, just before London Open and the New York session. And all of my live analysis recording instantly available here in the training session. You can see here morning and afternoon analysis. And also broadcast those analysis in the analysis section, and once the opportunities raised based on those analyses, I broadcast the information instantly through live audio commentary, and I also update in the analysis section so to keep up to date with my traders. So based on the today's analysis, you can see here my traders bank 365 pips, and this is the breakdown, and I'll go through these trades in a minute. Just before that, let's dig into the three pairs which we discussed yesterday and how we traded those pairs today. All right, so Euro USD, let's talk about the 4-hour chart. And if you haven't seen that video, the link is given, my yesterday analysis review, which I mentioned about those opportunities, and video link is given in the video description. You can watch that one. Let's move on to the 4-hour. Okay, so yesterday, as I mentioned you, if the price gonna break this level, then probably gonna be taking a pullback short, otherwise a pullback long. So as always, we always looking for the edge, and this was the edge we were looking here. Technically, before we can see that we have some bearish rejection, but eventually you can see here this is previously broken and priced nicely retest, and we were short whole day in Euro USD. We taken all the short trades. So right now, if you look at here, price nicely broken this structure even after the breakout price retested, and Monday probably we're looking here another pullback once the price is coming down. So you can see here this is the previous low is broken, so technically we're looking another pullback continuity, and the target would be this daily support. We'll see on Monday. That's what exactly we're looking here, pullback short here, and at that time if the price hit, then probably we're going to see looking a counter long trade. But as I said to you guys, we are intraday traders, so we always look for opportunities if we see any valid intraday patterns. So if you look at in 4-hour momentum chart, you can see we had this breakout and bank beautiful pips. As I said to you, we were short, as you can see here. This was the short taken based on the analysis and beautiful pips. So Monday we are looking, if you look at the price action in a high time frame, price has broken the previous low, and we're looking at the pullback and the continuity of short. Otherwise, if we see this is high and low, if the price reached to 0.786 fib level, big psychological number, this one you can see here, so then probably we're going to see counter long trade at this level. So we'll let you know updates on Monday. Let's move on to the pound dollar. In pound dollar, let's see here, we were short on pound dollar. As I said to you yesterday, if the price is going to respect 140,000 area, then probably long, but as you can see, we haven't seen any sign of bullishness. So we were short in the morning from last night Asian session, and then in the morning after, I think at this level we have taken some counter long trade and bank beautiful pips. So we were long, short before, and then long here. If you look at here in the momentum charts, that's what exactly you can see. There's a lot of analysis in the more, this is the some of the analysis. You can see this was the analysis at the New York, at the Asian session we were short, and afterwards you can see here we were long once the price hit this 100 EMA at this support level. So I'll show you those analysis. So right now we can see here price has broken this structure. So still we can see rejection both ways. You can see a bullish and bearish rejection. So Monday we are looking if the price, you can see here, price respected this level previously, and also this level, price keep respecting it. And if you look at here, so you can see here price respected previously here, and we're looking here if the price gonna break this structure, then we're gonna be taking a pullback short, and if the price respect, then probably gonna be taking a pullback long. As you know that we're taking an intraday system. As you can see, these type of patterns nicely broken and short trade here. So we'll let you know on Monday. We'll see how the market is going to react. Let's talk about the dollar CAD. On dollar CAD we were long from yesterday. You can see here, as I mentioned yesterday, if the price is broken this weekly resistance level. So as I said to you yesterday, that we will consider this one as a false breakout, and the price is above 126,000 area, and we were long on whole day. So if you look at here, this is the last trade. You can see here all pullbacks, long trade on dollar CAD. Okay, so if you look at the pips, made my trade is 365 pips, which is pretty straightforward. One trade is closed 186 pips. That was the trade yesterday open, as you have seen it my yesterday video. And I also mentioned about the target. That target was 1.26, which price nicely hit that target. If you look at here, this was the entry, and this was the entry, and this is the exit. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, this was the entry yesterday, and that was the entry, and you can see 1.26. Price nicely hit this level, and as soon as he closed this one, then I did analysis for counter long trade, and he was keep banking profit. As you can see, this was the counter long trade. Based on that, as soon as he closed it, he took another long trade here. You can see here, based on that analysis, banked 39 pips. Another one came out at the break even, then he took another long trade, because as we mentioned 4-hour, so I explained to my trader, every time when the price come back in deep pullback, just keep taking a long trade. You can see here Bollinger Band 126, big psychological number, and previously price respected, so he was keep taking a long trade and bank another beautiful pips on the counter. And the last one big, he made it 69 pips, around 70 pips. And this one trade he closed it around 2 o'clock, because we want to close all our position before 3 p.m. for the accounts purpose. So he just banked beautiful pip for this counter long trade. Again, all these trades are 100% based on the analysis. As you can see here, he just focused only one pair and bank beautiful pips, and that's what exactly we train people. You don't have to trade all these pairs, so you can just focus in one pair, watch in 4-hour. That's what exactly we do it. And then you need to have a system where you can enter and exit, and that's why we enter using the system, and we take a trade and pullbacks, all pullbacks. And same thing when the price hit to a certain level, and that's what we did. And then we're taking a counter long trade. So we are intraday traders, so we take both long and short, depend on the patterns develop, and plus the buys, we can get the information from the 4-hour. So let me share with you the today's analysis for the Euro USD. In the morning, just at the, you can see here, I did analysis last night for the Asian session trader. As soon as I finish my recording, I explained to traders to look for the short as long as the momentum is bearish. You can see we had one beautiful short trade, and afterwards another pullback short trade, and that's what I explained to traders, to just keep taking it. Then I did another analysis at basically I just update the pattern. I said, look guys, the prices develop another pattern. Still we can see the downside channel, 733, take a short trade, bank few more pips. And this one analysis at the New York session, we made another look for another breakout. As you can see, the price nicely broken and beautiful, and another pullback short trade on Euro USD. And same thing in pound dollar at the last night around 11:41. GMT. As soon as I finish recording, I explained to traders look for short any pullback, deep pullback. I said to traders, because the momentum was bearish, here you can see it, we have this breakout, nicely hit other target profit. As long after the breakout, I always mention to pull back, beautiful, and pull back. So this morning, once the price hit to the 100 EMA in 4 hour pound dollar, we said, guys, I keep banking it. And even afterwards, I said, look guys, let's wait after market London open. We're probably going to be seeing reversal, because at that time the price might gonna hit to the 100 EMA, which did price nicely in 4 hour. So you can see we have another breakout short trade, and afterwards I did another counter long trade. You can see here, that's analysis, counter long trade, because the price was hitting to the 100 EMA in 4 hour, and that's what I explained to trader. I mentioned if the price gonna break the orange EMA here, you can see here, which we announced through live audio commentary, bank few more pips. And then I said to guys, now you should be looking a long trade until the price gonna hit this 200 EMA, which you can see here, price nicely hit. We have another pullback long trade on Euro USD, and at the New York session we mentioned to look for another pullback. As you can see here, the price did not develop any pullback, and as mentioned on the analysis, first priority will be pullback. If we don't see any pullback, and if the price break and retest, give us the confirmation, then we're going to take a short trade. As you can see here, price broken and retest, beautiful short trade. You can see here we were expecting a pullback. Let me change the color here. So we're expecting a pullback long here, but as mentioned on the analysis, you can see we didn't see any pullback here. And then what happened after price broken and retest, and you can see as mentioned on the analysis and through live audio commentary, that's why we're explaining live. So we had a beautiful short trade on pound dollar. Dollar CAD was a pretty straightforward. We had a two beautiful analysis this morning. We had a counter short trade, as you can see here, and afterwards the price developed another pattern, and the New York session price developed this channel, and that's what we explained to trader, look for the breakout this channel and more likely be pulled back long, because of two reasons. Number one, the price was above that weekly resistance in 4 hour. In intraday, price was above 200 EMA, and as soon as the price broken, we announced, and most of the traders really enjoyed that trade. You can see 1 2 3 4 pullback, as long as the momentum is bullish, and we have developed our bias through the 4 hour, and you can see a beautiful trade on dollar CAD. And let me share with you the pound Swiss franc, the trades. You can see this morning pullback. As I mentioned, look for first priority. You can see pullback, 2 pullback, 3 pullback, short trade. And even afterwards, after the London open, I say, guys, just before London open, we can keep taking short trade. As soon as the London open, we might going to expect a reversal, because the price was hitting 126 level in 4 hour, and that's what happened here. Afterwards, we mentioned pullback long. You can see here counter long trade. Again, we're using this intraday system, but as I said to you guys, we're looking always 4 hour, and to find the exact main levels, and then we come to the intraday. As soon as the green candle perform, counter long trade, and afterward we tell other traders the price is going to reverse. So any pullback long, as long as the momentum is bullish, we'll consider high probability trade. You can see here around 200 EMA, we're expecting another pullback. You can see here pullback. We haven't mentioned here short trade as a pullback. 1 2 3 4 pullback. So you can see here beautiful pullback long trade in pound Swiss franc. So based on that, you can see here my traders bank 365 pips, very good trades, only one pair. This was the trade. That's what we exactly were waiting for, the right time for the right opportunity, and then we bank beautiful pips. As you can see, most of the traders bank beautiful pips. All these trades, if you look at any of these ones, like let's say in pound Swiss franc, we had breakout this afternoon. You can see here, this was pretty straightforward. You can see here consolidation breakout. The momentum was bullish, so normally we're expecting a breakout. You can see a beautiful breakout long trade on dollar Swiss franc. We had a beautiful trade on dollar yen. You can see this was the pretty straightforward breakout based on the momentum, pull back long, beautiful trade on dollar yen. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis, And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, as I always mention, we also provide full Forex coaching and training through this platform. Objective is to train people with the live market. Simple. So that's why they're going to see it, how we analyze, how we trade it, and if they have any situation, any questions, they can use our chat system. You can see here, this is the chat system. They can, ask any question to analyst, or if the members, if they upgrade it, they can also use audio chat with analyst if they need any help in terms of trading. So everything is happening in a real time. That's the whole objective, to train people with the live market and find the good traders who are banking these pips, and then we can find, get investment for them, so they make money, investors make money, we all make money. So that's exactly we're training in a real time. So even if you are struggling Forex trader, I'm pretty sure when you see all this analysis in real time, you can develop your trading skills very effectively and very nicely. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure, as you have seen, this is all price action trading, nothing else. It's all price action trading, and all the system training is given here. All the training material is given here. So it's going to be pretty straightforward for you guys to understand, and I believe you're going to love to banking all that pips alongside with my professional trader. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community, and you will find my availability calendar. Link is also given in the video description. Feel free to book. That's completely free, guys. We'll show you how you can benefit from this platform, how you can benefit from live intraday analysis. And if you need any help, we can also give you help. There's gonna be a sales pitch, trust me. Only we're gonna discuss how we can help you in terms of trading. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice weekend and stay blessed, and I'll see you on Monday with another analysis. All the best.